Welcome to Princess Design Academy. I am Princess Valeska, and today is an incredibly joyful day in the Frozen Kingdom. Queen Elsa is celebrating her birthday, and her Barbie doll friends want to surprise her with the most beautiful, giant ice cake. But the cake is completely white and needs our magic colors before the guests arrive. Can you help me color it and make it sparkle for the party? Give me a big thumbs up right now if you loved birthday celebrations. Let's start painting.
Coloring. Sky blue. Blue. Gray. Lilac. Dark blue. White. Sparkle. Elsa's birthday party is going to be a total success. Besties, thank you for being the most talented cake designers in the kingdom today. Now, I need your important vote. What was your favorite part of this delicious frozen cake? The glowing yellow candles or the cute blue flowers on the side? Don't leave our royal celebration just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more magical princess dress-up and art stories. See you there. Bye-bye.